Today we are going to look at the number of MBBS seats increased for Tamil Nadu state for the admission year 2020. This is based on the information provided by MCI and the number of seats permitted by MCI for this year 2020-21. Come, let's watch the video to see which are all the colleges that have got the additional seats and what are the total seats available in Tamil Nadu after the increase in the number of seats. I am Manikavel Armugam. I am a blogger and I am following medical admissions in India for many years now. You can follow me at my Twitter handle JustGetMBBS. I'm also available on Facebook. I do have a group under the name Just Get MBBS. And you are watching the YouTube channel again by the name Just Get MBBS. In case you have not subscribed to this channel yet, I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel and also click the bell icon so that whenever I post new videos, you will immediately get a notification so that you don't miss any important videos towards the admission period that is coming up very soon. Now let's go into the content of the video. So we are going to look at the various medical colleges in Tamil Nadu. How many government medical colleges are there? How many private medical colleges are there? How many deemed universities are there? And what are the number of seats available in each college? And what is the distribution of these seats under the various categories? So we are going to go into detail of each and every thing related to the number of seats in each college. So this is mainly related to the number of seats. That's what we are going to discuss. So let's start with the government medical colleges in Tamil Nadu. There are 23 government medical colleges. So there is no increase in government medical college for this year, that is 2020 year. We don't have additional or new medical college. We expect a few medical colleges to be added in the year 2021, but this year there is no proposed new medical college that is going to come up. Now let's look at the number of seats. Out of these 23 colleges, 11 colleges have 100 seats each. Which are those colleges? Let's see now. Chengalpattu Medical College, Dharmaburi Medical College, Omandurar Estate, Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College in Salem, Sivagangai, Theni Medical College, Thiruvarur Medical College, Thiruvannamalai Medical College, Velur Medical College, Viluppuram Medical College, and finally ESIC Medical College in Coimbatore. So these are the 11 colleges that have 100 seats each, and there is no change this year. Now let's look at 8 colleges which have 150 seats each. Coimbatore Medical College, Karur Medical College, KAP Vishwanathan Medical College in Trichy, Pudukottai Medical College, and Kanyakumari Medical College is the one that has got an increase of 50 seats this year. Until last year, they had 100 seats. Now they have got the permission from MCI to increase the number of seats from 100 to 150. Kilpak has 150 seats. Tanjavur Medical College, Thuthukudi Medical College, and these are the 8 colleges that have 150 seats each. Now let's look at the 4 medical colleges that have 250 seats each. Madras Medical College, Stanley Medical College, Madurai Medical College, and Tirunelveli Medical College. So these are the 4 colleges that have 250 seats each. So you can see out of the 23 colleges, there is only one college that has got the permission to increase the seats, that too only by 50 seats. So the confirmed number of seats in government medical colleges for this year is 3,300. So which is an increase from 3,250 last year to 3,300. Now how these seats are distributed? 15% of these seats will go to All India quota. That means about 495 seats will be allocated to All India quota. Insured persons or ESIC quota, that is under ESIC Coimbatore, there are 20 seats from ESIC Coimbatore goes under the insured persons quota. And finally, the state quota has 2,785 seats. So these 2,785 seats is purely for Tamil Nadu residents. Now let's look at the semi-government medical colleges. We have 3 semi-government medical colleges, the ESIC KK Nagar, IRT Perundurai, and Raja Mutaya Medical College, that is under Annamalai University. Anyway, Raja Mutaya Medical College, there was an announcement recently in the budget session of Tamil Nadu that Raja Mutaya Medical College is going to be completely converted as a government medical college. Though since we have not seen a clear direction, I have not included that under the government medical colleges. Anyway, there won't be any change, right? Either you count under government college or semi-government college. We just have to see the number of seats. The number of seats is going to be the same. So there is no difference in the number of seats. So ESIC KK Nagar has 100 seats. IRT Perundurai has 100 seats. And Raja Mutaya offers 150 seats. So there is no change or increase in the number of seats as far as these 3 medical colleges are concerned. So totally they have 350 seats, which was same as 2019. Out of these, 53 seats go to All India quota. ESIC quota has 20 seats that comes from ESIC KK Nagar. IRT Perundurai has 30 seats reserved for the children of IRT or a transport corporation employees. So that is called IRT quota. So 30 seats goes to that. And 247 seats from these colleges go to the state quota. Now let's look at the self-financing private medical colleges. There are 14 private medical colleges, out of which you can see certain colleges are considered as non-minority private colleges. Certain colleges come under linguistic minority colleges like Telugu minority and Malayalam minority. And we also have religious minority like Christian minority college. So these are the 14 private colleges available in Tamil Nadu. And out of these, 3 colleges have 100 seats each. That is Karpaga Vinayaka, Sri Moogambigai, and the Christian Medical College, Vellore. So these are the 3 colleges with 100 seats each. And the remaining 11 colleges, all of them have 150 seats each. Now totally there are 1,950 seats from these 14 medical colleges. Once again, there is no change in the quantity of seats as far as the private self-financing medical colleges are concerned when you compare with 2019. And out of these 1,950 seats, 1,052 seats goes to state quota, or sometimes some people like to call it as merit quota. Malayalam minority candidates will get 35 seats. That is, candidates who speak Malayalam as their mother tongue and have residence status in Tamil Nadu. So they should be Tamil Nadu candidates. Other state candidates cannot apply. They should be Tamil Nadu candidates and should have Malayalam as their mother tongue. So they get 35 seats. Similarly, Tamil Nadu candidates with Telugu as mother tongue will get 203 seats under the Telugu minority quota. Management quota seats are 292 seats. NRI category has 283 seats. And CMC Vellore has something called sponsored category, out of which 74 seats goes to minority network. That means mainly candidates sponsored by various churches and Christian organizations. And 10 seats are reserved for their own institutional quota. Okay, so 84 seats comes under sponsored category of CMC Vellore. And CMC Vellore also offers 1 seat to the central government under the central pool quota. So this is the distribution of the 1,950 seats. Now let's look at the deemed universities, the medical colleges that come under the umbrella of deemed universities. There are 9 medical colleges that are affiliated to deemed universities. Out of these, one college offers 100 seats, that is Vinayaka Missions Salem is having only 100 seats. 3 colleges offer 150 seats each. They are ACS Medical College Chennai, Sri Satya Sai Medical College in Kanjipuram, and SRM Medical College in Chennai. So these are the 3 medical colleges that offer 150 seats each. And we have 5 medical colleges that offer 250 seats each. They are Chettinad, Kanjipuram. Meenakshi Medical College used to have 150 seats until last year, and they have got permission to increase the number of seats from 150 to 250 seats for the year 2020. So this is another college that gets 100 seats increase. And Savita Medical College in Chennai, they have also got the permission to increase the number of seats from 150 to 250. So these are the 2 deemed universities that contributes now an additional 200 seats to the medical admission. Sri Balaji Medical College in Chennai, that college is also having 250 seats. And Sri Ramachandra Medical College, Chennai. So these are the 5 medical colleges that contributes 250 seats each. So when you compare to 2019, there is a 200 seats increase that comes from Meenakshi Medical College and Savita Medical College. So totally we have 1,800 seats under deemed universities, and these are distributed or classified as 1,530 seats for management quota and 270 seats for NRI quota. So let's quickly see a summary of whatever we have seen so far. The government medical colleges has 3,300 seats, that is an increase of 50 seats from the last year. Semi-government medical colleges has 350 seats, there is no change in that. Private self-financing medical colleges has 1,950 seats, again there is no change here. And finally, deemed universities has 1,800 seats, which is actually an increase of 200 seats from last year. So all in all, totally we have 7,400 seats available in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these may not be available only for Tamil Nadu candidates. Some of these seats goes under the All India category, but if you just take the geographical zone of Tamil Nadu, we have 7,400 medical seats right now, and which is an increase of 250 seats from last year. Now you may have this question, is this the final count for Tamil Nadu? Or can we expect any more seats for 2020-21 admission? Yes, we do hope that few more seats will be added. There are few more medical colleges in the pipeline with the idea of increasing seats or with the proposal to start a new college. However, we have not got a confirmation from MCI. So that's why I have not included those colleges. Now let me show you those colleges which are pending approval. See whether they can get permission for this year or not, right? Once again, I'm saying these colleges are yet to be confirmed. So don't add this. This may be getting permission and will be added, or this may not be getting permission. So what I will do is, whenever I get a news that these colleges get permission, then I will update the number of seats and post another video. Now let's see which are the colleges in the pipeline. One, in the government medical college, Coimbatore Medical College is trying to increase 100 seats. So there is a proposal by the Tamil Nadu state government, which is still pending. We are not sure whether it will get the clearance for this year, but you can hope, and we do hope that this comes this year. And there are 3 private medical colleges that has been proposed with 150 seats each. They are Priyadarshini Medical College, Bharat Medical College, and Panimalar Medical College. And out of these, I got some information that Panimalar Medical College is almost ready to receive candidates. In fact, I heard that they have started advertising for staff members, and even their college buses. They do have engineering colleges, right? Their buses have started displaying that admissions might happen this year for medical colleges. So more or less, this may be confirmed, right? But let's wait for the official confirmation. And where did I get this information? Predominantly or primarily, this information came from an article in Times of India dated February 14, 2020. That's where I got some information that these are the proposed new colleges. Okay, so let's wait for some more time. As of now, we are sure that there is going to be 250 seats increased, but let us hope that few more seats gets increased this year. Maybe we still have time. Now we are only in February, so towards the admission is going to start around June, so we still have some time. So let's hope that some more seats are allocated for this year. Thank you very much. I hope this video is useful to you. If you found this video useful, please share this with your friends who are also preparing for the NEET 2020 and they are looking for admissions in Tamil Nadu. And if you do like this video, I kindly request you again to subscribe to this channel. I have nothing more to add. Thank you very much and see you soon in some other video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken.